I'm learning Salesforce, but what is happening when I move on to the new topics, I started forgetting the old topic which I learned. Say for example, I'm currently in the training of learning the day 10. When I go back and check my what I have learned in the day 1, I completely forgot the topic. So looks like I'm keep forgetting, but I'm still learning the new topics. How to resolve this? I want to remember all the topics all the time. How to resolve this? I have the 5 tips for you. Maybe this will help you, and it helped many people. Tip number 1, yes, you have to take notes, which is a overused term, but this is something you cannot avoid. You must take the notes of what is what and how it is help the business. No matter whether in your notes you have other things or not, but you must have these two. Say for example, there is a topic called record type. In your notes you must have what is record type. You should have the your self explanation of and your understanding of what is record type. Second, how record type is helping the business. Likewise, you have to start take the notes of all the topic, and once in 7 days you should revisit those notes. That will help you to remember these two important things all over the time. No matter after 1 month or 2 months, even if you forget the steps how to create record type, even if you forget the syntaxes, it is absolutely fine. But if you say I forgot what is record type, I forgot how it is helping the business, then that is a serious problem. Okay, so take a notes of these two things, and this is going to be the life savior for you. That's it. Tip number 2, which is very important one. Yes, the more you teach, the more you learn. If you get an opportunity to teach any Salesforce topic to anyone, in people online, offline, over the WhatsApp or Click, get that opportunity and start teach them. When you start teach the topic to someone, right, what will happen? You will start understand the topic from the different perspective, and there are chances they will be asking the question which you never come across when you are learning. So this is going to help to rewire the brain and going to learn the topic in depth. Look at the profiles you are seeing in the screen. They're all people who got trained in AJST. Most importantly, they served in AJST as a volunteer of assistant trainer and also a co-learner session moderator. During the co-learner session, what they do, the people will come to them and they will be asking questions to them. If they have idea about how to clarify the queries, they do. Sometimes they may ask the question from the past topics. They could have studied that topic 30 days back, 60 days back. So what they will say, okay, excuse me, I don't have an idea about what you are asking. One, give me a time, 1 hour, 2 hours or 1 day. I will go back and check and get back to you. They do that. When they are doing that, it is an opportunity for them to go back, revisit the topic and come back to them and help them to understand the topic. When they put themselves as a co-learner session moderator and assistant trainer, they are getting to the compulsion of they must address the queries, they must revisit the topics. This helped many people not only to remember all the topics all the time, that helped them to get placed as well. Tip number 3, yes, assessment. You have to come voluntarily to book a assessment slot by writing to support@AJ Skill Development and start attend the assessment frequently, once in 10 days, once in 30 days. So in general, this is how it happened, right? If there is an examination, what we will do? During the examination, 1 day or 2 day, 3 day before, we will go through all the topics to make sure we perform good in the exam. That also happens during the assessment as well. You will prepare really well, and that preparation time will help you to revisit the topic. So make use of the assessment which is happening in AJ Skill Development. And the 4th one, LinkedIn. Build the habit of writing a LinkedIn post once in a week. Write a post about what you have encountered as an error or how did you resolve the problem. Even sometimes you can give an explanation, your own explanation of how did you understand that particular topic. So when you are going into the commitment of writing a LinkedIn post, that will help you to again revisit the topic and prepare the post, and you will double check whether you are going to post is correct or not. For God's sake, don't use ChatGPT or don't copy the post from somebody else and you post it. There is no purpose. Okay, LinkedIn algorithm not at all going to support you, and this is not going to help you for anything. Okay, so create your own content and put it in LinkedIn. Sometimes you can take a video like this and put it in the content. That will give you a good idea and you will get a one more chance to revisit the topic. The last one, obviously, Trailhead modules. I suggest people don't do the Trailhead modules whenever you are learning our AJST content. What I would suggest, first learn AJST videos, then do the AJST case studies. Then after 10 days or 20 days, use the relevant Trailhead modules or the super badges to revisit the topic in a different perspective. So, look at all the 5 things. The ultimate aim is to go back and revisit the topic and learn the topic from the different angle. That will give you the depth of the understanding of the concept. So, no matter what will happen after 1 month, 2 months, even 1 year, if I ask you this question, what is what and how it is going to help the business, you would be able to explain me clearly, because this is what in most of the interview they will ask, and they will give you a scenario and they will ask you how you will resolve this situation with the help of the Salesforce topic you learned. So, make use of these 5 tips, but if you come across a new tips, please mention in the comments if it is in the YouTube. Thank you.